Hello, what's up guys? My name is Mikael Gusti. On this occasion, I will review a Japanese movie called Tokyo Sonata, which was released in 2008, directed and written by Kiyoshi Kurosawa. Tokyo Sonata is a family drama full of meaning, raising themes about economic crisis and dynamics of family relationships. This film is set when the unemployment rate in Japan was high, due to the implementation of free trade which caused the country to be flooded with workers from abroad while the domestic economy experienced stagnation. The main character, Ryuhei, who worked as an administrative director, has to accept the bitter reality of being laid off from his office. Ryuhei's position was replaced by a younger Chinese worker who was willing to accept lower wages. Instead of telling his family about the dismissal, Ryuhei chose to pretend go to work every day to maintain his pride. The tagline that suits this film is "Every family has its secret." Tokyo Sonata highlights the various secrets behind each other family member. Not only the father, the mother Megumi also hides a secret when she feels her life is exciting again, not in her role as a monotone housewife, but when she is taken hostage by robbers. This film also depicts traditional Japanese family culture, where the father is the head of the family and the decision maker who must be respected and listened to all in the situations. Kurosawa's social criticism in this film is quite sharp, highlighting Japanese patriarchy culture which places men as the figures who are always right and the strong in the household. Ryuhei often forced his will on his children, forbidding various things for no apparent reason. His youngest son Kenji, who is having trouble at school, used his lunch money to study piano, an activity that Ryuhei strictly forbids for no apparent reason. Meanwhile, his eldest son Takashi decided to leave Japan to volunteer the United States Army, even though Ryuhei forbid him. Kurosawa also describes how difficult it is to find work in Japan, with very tight competition, great social pressure on fathers, and the existence of generation gap. The majority of Japan's elderly population is a challenge in itself because they are no longer as productive as the younger generation. Another reality shown in this film is the high suicide rate among the Japanese society due to the difficulty of finding work. With a more structured opening and plot, this review highlights the strengths of the movie Tokyo Sonata in reveal Japanese social and cultural realities. Basically, Tokyo Sonata tells the story of the pain that arises when humans cannot honestly express the emotion they experience. Even as typically confused and depressed ordinary family unravels, Kurosawa still managed to elicit nods and smile as even the most subtle and ordinary action touch upon the truth of humanity. Aesthetically, Tokyo Sonata is simply brilliant. It's a film that rewards audience who watch it multiple times. Dialogue and repetitive camera shots are often recycled, act as a kind of ending that builds meaning and emotional intensity over simple movement. However, the conclusion is truly extraordinary, as each character experiences a moment of awakening and rebirth. The sadness and the loneliness we find in the human experience can also lead to periods of extreme clarity and enlightenment, and Tokyo Sonata managed to end it on a pretty uplifting note. Okay, that is all of my review. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you. Bye.